Alright guys, welcome to this quick guide. We're going to be showing you how to reset your General Electric dryer, guys. Your GE dryer. So it's very easy and simple. So usually what seems to be the case, guys, is that your dryer's control lock is engaged basically, okay? So all you need to do is actually remove the control lock to actually get the dryer functioning, okay? So you need to do this. So you need to press and hold the delay dry and eco dry buttons together at the same time for about 5 seconds. And then when both are held for 5 seconds, that will actually remove the control lock or actually engage the control lock, okay? So hold both the delay dry and eco dry buttons together for about 5 seconds, okay? Then you're good to go again, guys. You should be able to use the dryer like normal and just select the cycle and you can just start the dryer. I hope this video helps, guys. If it does, make sure you hit that like button. If you're still having trouble, guys, you can comment down below. We'll figure something out. And until next time, guys, make sure you subscribe to our channel so I can see you in the next video, guys. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. Make sure you subscribe, guys. Hit that subscribe button to find your solution, guys. Come on.